Good morning students. Today we have to learn how to find the measuring perimeter. So first we know that what is the perimeter. Perimeter, it means the distance around the closed figure, its perimeter. It means the distance around the closed figure, its perimeter. See, here is the different type of figures. How we have to find this perimeter. You know this perimeter, it means the distance around the closed figure, its perimeter. But here very difficult we have to measure with the scale, with ruler. So now we have to take one thread, this string, and we have to, like that, we have to measure. First open this and we have to measure like that. Starting point, anywhere, we have to measure like that. And after that, like that, we have to measure. See here. First where we have to start, here we have to put one dot. So we have to understand where we have to start it. So now see, very easy. We have to take with the string because distance around the figure. So we have to put it here. Now here like that. See, now here like that. Now we have to turn because string is very easy to thread the turning. So we have to use the string. It's very difficult. We have to measure with the scale because scale is not turned. So we have to do the measure and we have to do now. Here's point is last point. So here. Now till here. So now what we have to do here, we have to thread, we have to cut and we have to measure with the ruler. Then how much is? See here. Here is the starting point with the 0. Here see. So we have to measure with here. See here. Now here is the how much centimeter we have to know this? 12 centimeter. Then again we have to keep here and starting point with the 0 we have to keep. Now see here again until see last where it is see here is the 10. So 12 plus 10 is 22 centimeter. Then how much this? Now very easily you find out. So 22. What is the perimeter of this? So perimeter is equal to 22 centimeter. So this type figure we have to use the curved because this is the curved figure. So we know that the distance of the around the closed figure, we know that the perimeter. So we have to use with the string and after that string we have to count with the ruler. Okay. Now here you know that this here one line, this is the 1 centimeter. This one box is 1 centimeter square. This one line also 1 centimeter. Now you know that the perimeter of the distance around the closed figure, we have to say the perimeter. So now this line is the 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Here also we have to count 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So 1 and 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 centimeter. 1, 2. So 2 centimeter. Here is 4 centimeter. We have to add and here also 2 centimeter. We have to like that. After that we have to plus 4 centimeter. Plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter and plus 2 centimeter. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12 centimeter. Now this is the different type of figures. Then how we have to know this add with the how we have to find the perimeter. We know that the perimeter is the distance around the closed figure is perimeter. It's perimeter. Then here we have to use this ruler. This ruler we have to use starting point, you know this 0 we have to start it. So 0 to here 6. So this side is 6 centimeter. We have to write here 6 centimeter. Now here we have to write. Here is the, see here we have to start it with the 0. So here is the 10 centimeter. Now here, see here we have to start it with here. So 7 centimeter. Here also same size is 10 centimeter. And here also 6 centimeter. So this is also 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to add this 10 plus 10. We have to write this 6 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter and plus 6 centimeter. After this we have to add this. Thank you. Have a nice day.